Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. jump on and say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my rendition of the Holiday Tablescape Tour. Now guys, this collaboration is hosted by the Glam Squad. Now the members of the Glam Squad are Glamour Ellen, also Styling with Stacy, myself, I'm DIY Design by CCW. My name is Candy. Also there's Tammy, and Tammy's channel is the Glam Queen of DIY. There's Renters Live Luxury by Ian, and also there is the wonderful Bee, and Bee's channel is Elegant Designs by Bee. Now guys, I want to tell you a little bit about my tablescape before I jump off, just to let you know where everything comes from. Now the deer that you see in the centerpiece, I picked that up at Home Goods and added that red bow. The cake stand comes from Home Goods as well. I've had that for some time. You'll see that I layered my table with a silver tablecloth, topped it with a red runner. I've gone with red napkins. The silver plates are a DIY, and I've topped them with crystal plates that I thrifted actually. And the little candle holders that you see here next to the cake plate or the cake stand, those are a DIY, and I'll make sure that I link the video so that in the iCards, that way if you want to see it, and see how they were made, you can. But anyway guys, this is what I came up with. Listen, I just want to wish all of you happy holidays. Hope everyone is ready for Thanksgiving, ready for Christmas, and tell everybody just stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. Listen, make sure you go and visit the other ladies' channels, and if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button today, and please visit the playlist as well. So again, thank you so much for watching, and like I say at the end of every video, I can't wait to see you, each and every one of you, in the next video. Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day or night.